Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is Joe from Seattle Leather Research, and today I'm doing a new unboxing. So I'm super excited to be going to Italy for the first time here in just a few weeks. And so for that, to kind of counter what is rumored to be a terrible pickpocket situation, particularly on the metro in Rome, I thought, hey, it's finally time I try one of these zip around bags. And so I did some online research, and in terms of the kind of reputation, as well as the style and the materials, Will Leather Goods, based out of Eugene, Oregon, was my choice. And so I'm really excited to give them a try. I always like to support kind of Pacific Northwest businesses. It sounds like Will got his start in Detroit, Michigan too, and has done some good in that area. So definitely check them out because they've got some really nice looking stuff. So here is how everything was packed. Okay. Tissue paper there. Looks like this is the bag and kind of a canvas sack. It's pretty cool. And so here it is. And this bag is meant to be something that you kind of sling around your front, so you're a little less vulnerable from would-be thieves. So I've never worn a bag like this before, but I've seen them quite often, and I thought, yeah, this would be a great opportunity to give it a try and, support a local Pacific Northwest business as well. So we've got full grain, vegetable tanned leather. I love the kind of rippled kind of styling and texture. It's YKK zipper, brass hardware, brass comfort loops on the back here. It's kind of hard to see, I guess, with this stuff on. But this for kind of an adjustable fit, depending on how tight to the body you like it. It's also made out of 100% cotton canvas on the back here, which is what will be sort of against your body. This retailed for $235, and it's got a lifetime guarantee. So if anything happens to it, you can kind of, ooh, that's really cool. I love the kind of pattern inside the pockets there. But if anything happens to it, will replace it once, and so that's a really cool guarantee that he offers. It's always tough to do this stuff with one hand, but yeah, that's cool. It looks like there's plenty of space for like a passport, wallet, documents, papers. It looks really cool inside and out. I love the pattern on the inside, super thoughtful, very kind of my style. So I'm a big fan of this. And yeah, extra secure pocket, passport and wallet size back there, or phone, and really everything that you would must have while you're out and about traveling, you could definitely fit in this. So I'm interested to see what I think about the overall style of having one of these sling-arounds. Again, it's just nothing I've ever worn before. I much prefer kind of a messenger bag or backpack. I probably will for sure be taking my saddleback backpack, because that is also very well designed to be kind of anti-theft. Extra pocket back here for cash, or probably that's where you'll stick the wallet. That would be the toughest place to grab it, most likely. Anyway, yeah, I'm super stoked. It looks great, feels great. It's a good size, and I'm excited to give it a try. I'll do an update video here in a couple weeks and let you guys know what I think of it. And thanks for tuning in.